education for the next generation. Now we are going to discuss about the chapter the probability. What the probability is? Generally we say that it may rain, probably it may rain, or I may join in politics. So these all are the probable things, means it may occur, it may not occur, it is not certain. So the not certain things are called the probable things. Here the terms, some terms we use in the probability are elementary events. What are the elementary events? This is an outcome. This is an outcome in the random experiment. If you are doing an experiment, whatever the result, that is the outcome is called the elementary event. For example, if you toss a coin, what are the elementary events are? Either you may get head or you may get tail. So head or tail is called an elementary event in this experiment. And next is compound event. What is the compound event is? This is an event associated to the random experiment. This is compound event, we will say if you combine two or more elementary events associated to the random experiment. For example, a single die is thrown getting off an even number. The possible even numbers if you throw a die is either 2 or 4 or 6. So the compound event here is combining these three events 2, 4 or 6. So this is called the compound event. Next is occurrence of an event. Means we will say an event is said to be occurred if any one of the following events is related to A. For example, a die is rolled and outcome of the trial be 4. The 4 may occur, then we say that 4 is occurred. And so the getting of a number greater than 2. You may get the number greater than 2 if you throw a die. These all are called the occurrence of an events. Now suppose there are n elementary events associated to the experiment and m are favorable cases, means m are favorable to the experiment and others are not favorable, then the probability is number of favorable events divided by the total number of events. So this is the formula to find the probability. Number of favorable events divided by total number of events. That is, here m are the favorable events. So m by total number of events are n. For example, an unbiased die is thrown. What is the probability of getting an even number? So on the die you can see the numbers from 1 to 6. In each face there are 6 faces on a die, in a die. So the 6 each face give a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So the how many even numbers are there? So either you may get 2, 4 or 6. So the total number of favorable cases are 3. So the probability is equal to 3 by 6, number of favorable cases by total number. So 3 even numbers divided by 6, that is 1 by 2 is the probability. Another question, the probability of getting a multiple of 3. The multiples of a multiple of 3 if you throw a die is either 3 or 6. So the number of favorable cases here is 2. 2 by 6 is equal to 1 by 3. And so another example, find the probability of getting an odd number in rolling a die. So the odd number in rolling a die is either you may get 1 or 3 or 5. So number of favorable cases here are 3. So 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2 is the probability of getting the odd numbers in rolling a die. Now a bag contains 3 red balls and 2 blue marbles. 3 red marbles, 2 blue marbles. What is the probability of drawing a blue marble from the bag? So you are about to draw a blue marble. How many blue marbles are there? There are 2 blue marbles. Number of blue marbles is 2, means that is the number of favorable cases are 2. and total number of marbles in the bag is 3 plus 2, that is 5. So, the probability of drawing a blue marble is, probability of B let us take, is equal to number of favorable cases by total number of cases, that is 2 by 5. Now, another question. A bag contains 5 red balls and some blue balls in it. The probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of the red ball. Find the number of blue balls in the bag. To find it, now we do not know how many blue balls are there in the bag. So, let us take there are x blue balls in the bag. Now, the total number of balls in the bag is equal to the total number of balls means red balls plus blue balls, that is 5 plus x. Probability of drawing a blue ball is equal to number of blue balls divided by total number of balls, that is x by 5 plus x. Probability of drawing a red ball is number of red balls divided by total number of balls, 5 by 5 plus x. So, as given, the probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of the red ball. So, probability of drawing blue ball is x by 5 plus x is equal to, double means 2 times 2 into 5 by 5 plus x. So, both sides if you cancel 5 plus x, hence x is equal to 2 into 5, that is 10, x value is 10. So, the number of blue balls in the bag is 10. About the geometric probability, the geometric probability is in the figures, especially we will use the geometric probability in the figures. In the whole region of the figure, in which particular region the object is occurred, that we will find. So, this is the measure of, means the area of specified region divided by the total area gives you the geometric probability. For example, in the rectangular region, the whole region is the forest and this is a lake, suppose. Now, question is, a missing helicopter is reported to have crashed somewhere in the rectangular region. What is the probability that it is crashed inside the lake? So, to find the probability is the area of the entire region is, this is a rectangular region. So, the length into breadth, length is 9 kilometers, breadth is 4.5 kilometers. So, the area of rectangle is 4.5 into 9 is 40.5 kilometers square, and area of the lake is the length into breadth, that also rectangular form. So, it is length into breadth 2.5 into 3 is 7.5 kilometers square. Now, probability, that is geometric probability is 7.5 divided by 40.5, that is 75 by 405. If you simplify it, is 5 by 25. This is the geometric probability.